Hello. Hope everybody's having a great afternoon. I'm excited to be here all the way from Israel. As she said, my name is Akiva Ben-Ezra, and I'm the CEO of BenEzra Marketing. We're going to cover three main things today. The first thing we're going to cover is how to make cost-effective videos for your business that won't break your bank. The second topic we're going to be covering is how to get these videos that you just created to appear on the top of Google search results and also YouTube search results. And the third thing we're going to talk about is how to effectively use YouTube's built-in features to get more conversions and more sales and traffic to your website. So let's get started. So a lot of you guys are thinking that video is expensive, that you're going to have to take out a second mortgage on your house to be able to produce videos, and that you have to have money growing on trees. But that's not the case. So right now I want to talk about a couple of do-it-of-yourself options to make pretty nice cost-effective videos, and you don't even have to appear in these videos. So the first thing I want to talk about is sketch videos. So there's this company called Sparkle Video Scribe. It's a computer-based software that works on the Mac and PC that will let you make your own sketch videos, and you can add a nice little voiceover and stuff like that. Sean from Affiliate Summit, I believe he uses this company to make the sketch videos that is featured on his blog. So you can make pretty nice little sketch videos. I actually made one of these videos for a conference I was speaking at as a speaking pitch, and the organizer sent me back saying that was the most creative pitch I've ever received. I want you to be on this panel and that panel. So they actually do work. The second solution I want to talk about is an Israeli company called Powtoons. It will let you make, it's actually a free service, and if you they have a premium option, but if you work with a nonprofit, or you can get a free premium account, they'll let you make premium animated PowerPoint videos, animated videos for free, and they work pretty well. So I'd also try to check out Powtoons. The third options I want to talk about is Google Hangouts. So a lot of you are thinking, what are Google Hangouts? You've seen them done before. But for example, if you see this screenshot, this was an interview with a CPA. And this video is actually ranking on the first page of Google for the keywords. What Google Hangouts are is it gives you an opportunity to do an interview with a client, or if, let's say, I know some of you guys who are here are affiliate network, so I can have a 5-minute conversation, and it's already uploaded to Google Hangouts, and then I just do some basic optimization, and it ranks pretty well since Google owns Google Hangouts. So I would suggest a lot of you guys try out some Google Hangouts. You can get a colleague to interview you, or somebody else, and they work great to producing quality content, and they also have a lot of link juice in Google since Google owns Google Hangouts. So after we've created a cost-effective video, it's time to upload these videos to YouTube. So the things we have to focus on when we're uploading it to YouTube, we have to make sure we have a title, a description, a URL of the video, tags, a transcript, annotation. Custom annotation basically lets you make a clickable link to your website. It used to be that you can only have a link to your product or website in the description of the video. Actually, I can put a clickable link inside of the video itself to take them back to my website or to another YouTube video to make them subscribe. Location of a video. If you guys are a local business, this is a must-do. You must have the address of the video there. I'll show you guys in a second, and a custom thumbnail. So if you see over here on this slide over here, the keyword that I'm ranking for is Connect for Windows Games. So I make sure I have the title, the keyword in the title of the video. Make sure you do it. A lot of people put video promo, so Affiliate Summit promo. You want to make sure you have a keyword in the title. It's just think of it as on-page SEO. It's the same thing. I want to have my main keyword in the title. I want to have a nice little description between 500 and 1,000 words of what the video is about. Maybe add a little blog post. And if you see over here, I listed the video as unlisted. I don't list your video as unlisted, but till I have all the information, I like to make my video unlisted, and then the second I have everything in place, I put it public. Because the second the video is made public, YouTube's going to index the video. So one of the things that you need to do is add tags. Tags are kind of like keywords, so the more the merrier. You can add a lot of tags. So if you see over here as an example of some of the tags that I added, Connect for Windows Game, Connect Games, Star 3D Me, there's a bunch of different tags over here that you add. Just think of them as keywords. It used to be that Google would show you your competitive tags. So what if, let's say I wanted to rank for Affiliate Summit or something like that, I would go to the YouTube search results and search for the top 5 videos and steal all the tags. It used to be that they would show them the tags, and I would copy the tags and add them to my video, the relevant tags. But they don't show it to you anymore. So there's a little workaround from this. So if you just go to View Page Source, you right click on your Google Chrome browser or Mozilla Firefox, and you go into the source code and you press Control F keywords. It'll show you over here all the different tags that they're using on your video, and you can get some relevant tags for you, and then you can use that in your video. One of the things I was talking about is the custom annotations. So if you verify your YouTube account, you just need to get them to send you a text message to your phone number. You're able to add something called external annotation. That will let you make a clickable link to your website. So inside of the video, I can have a nice little graphic and say, click here for more information, or click here to download the PDF. And then they'll click on that, and it'll take them straight to your website. You don't even have to put in the description. So this works a lot to get better conversions. And I suggest all of you guys start using external annotation. It used to be that you can only link to an existing YouTube video or to the subscribe channel, but they recently, it was over a year ago, that they let you guys add external annotations, and a lot of people still don't know about it, and they still don't use it. As I was talking about before, the video location. So if you guys I do a lot of SEO for local businesses. So one of the things I always make sure to do is put the address of the business, because a lot of the Google search results are location based. So let's say I'm trying to rank for Payday Loans or whatever, Payday Loans Las Vegas or whatever it is. I know a lot of you guys here are affiliates. I would make sure to put in the video location Las Vegas, and that will actually help my video rank higher in the search results in YouTube as well. Adding a transcription of your video. YouTube does a pretty bad job of transcribing every single video. They can only read text. So basically, YouTube can't really read video. So what they try to do is they try to transcribe the video to see what your video is about, so they can have a better idea of how to rank it. But they do a pretty bad job of transcribing your video. So what you want to do is you want to add a custom transcript. Instead of me typing out a 2-minute video word for word, what I like to do is I like to pay $1 a minute on one of these services, and they'll do it for you. So you can work on more important things and let somebody else worry about transcribing the video for you. So after we've created a video, we've uploaded it to YouTube, adding the title, the description, URL of the video, the custom annotations, and all the process that I've talked about, it's time to share the video. One of the things that Google likes is social signals. They like to see how many times it was shared on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, blogging about the video. So it's important to share the video across your social media platforms. So share the video on your Facebook page, your Twitter page, etc., and that will help bring in more people to the video and help you rank better. Right now I want to talk about some YouTube advertising and getting real views. So this is actually a Facebook group that I'm part of, that we exchange views for your videos. So I can post a link to my video, and this network will comment and like on my video. And we exchange likes, and this is totally free. So right now I want to talk about the in-video programming in YouTube, the InStream Ads. So one of the things that helps ranking your video is getting views to your video. Google wants to see how popular your video is. It used to be that people would go to Fiverr and buy 1,000, 2,000 views for $5. But that doesn't work anymore, because that's considered spam. So there's actually a better way to do it and actually gain clients at the same time. I would just spend a couple dollars on InStream advertising, and you can get the client, and you can get customers as well. InStream advertising puts a 30-second video before a video, and the customer has the option to skip it after 5 seconds if they don't like it, and you only pay if they watch it past the 10-second mark. So you're also getting cheap views. You only pay if they actually are interested in your product, and you're also getting more views that will help with YouTube SEO. So just a couple of things to make sure when you're setting up the campaign. So I'm located in Jerusalem, Israel. So when I'm setting it up, I want to make sure my location is set at Israel. The different languages I might want to target. You guys probably be English, Spanish. You want to set a budget over here. If you see it says max cost per view, I put $10, and it's giving me estimates of how many views I'll get per day on a $25 budget. So one thing right now, this is a pretty cool thing that you guys should all be doing, is I can actually put an ad on a competitor's video. So let's say I'm looking to how to fix my computer, how to install an iPhone screen. So my iPhone broke last night, and I went onto Amazon, eBay, I ordered one of these screens from China, and I'm looking how to install it in my iPhone. So what am I going to do? I'm going to go to Google or YouTube and find the first video that's located there. I'm going to watch the video. But what I can do is I can actually tell YouTube that I want to put an ad on this guy's video. So even before they watch this video, they're going to be watching my video on how to fix the iPhone screen. Now I'm going to gain them as a client instead of this guy. So you do this, and it says add manually, and you can actually put the URL of the YouTube video that you want to steal the traffic from. And a lot of times people don't disable advertising, so a lot of the times you actually can put advertising on some of your competitors' videos. Lastly, I want to share a case study of how one video got multiple press coverage, and it's about to close down a school in Florida. So I have a client in Florida, a disabled World War II veteran, and he has something called contaminated drywall in his house. Contaminated American drywall, basically, it makes people sick. You have to rip out the whole drywall. The appliances get corroded. And this school, and actually this elementary school in Florida, has this problem in it. And these teachers and students are getting sick. My client went in there, and he found that there was American drywall, but the school wouldn't step up to the issues. These teachers and students were getting sick. So what did we do? He actually recorded a 3-minute video outside of the school. I uploaded to YouTube. We did some optimization, and within 24 hours, there was over 2,000 views on the video. We got multiple press coverage of the video. If you see over here, what that smelled, we got multiple press coverage, and actually there was a report done by the Center of Disease Control right now, and they're actually looking to fix the issue. So this was just by one video, and made the school face up to the issue. So just to sum up, videos aren't expensive. You guys all should be doing them. Make sure to upload them to YouTube and do the proper optimization to them, and try out some YouTube advertising. Any who has a question?
What was the first resource you mentioned?
It's called Sparkle Video Scribe.
Spell that?
SPARKOL. Yeah, if it's this transcription service is called a SpeechPad, or you just go to Google and you can type in transcription videos or whatever it is. There's a bunch of services that will do it for $1 a minute.
So as far as making videos, I wasn't in the name you talked about. You mentioned earlier you have some sketches, different ways to make videos. Did you talk about that already?
Yeah, that was at the beginning slide. I mentioned there's one company called Sparkle Video Scribe that will let you make sketch videos. This is a software you pay like $20 a month, and actually Sean, I saw one of his blog posts. He used one of these sketch videos. They work pretty well. There's another company called Powtoons, and I was also talking a little bit about Google Hangouts. Any other questions? Yeah. Yes and no. It's if you search online, if you come up to me afterwards, I can give you some more information. Yes.
How about backlinks? How important are they for YouTube videos?
Well, Well, they all are important, but the main stuff is what I talked about, doing the on-page optimization, because that's about 70-80% of the work, and then getting some backlinks by embedding it in your blog and getting some links to that, maybe some comments. But most of the link juice, most of the process is the on-page optimization. I've gotten videos ranked within 2-3 minutes, getting them indexed, because I just did the proper on-page optimization process, adding the transcript, the title, the description, getting some views and whatever it is. Because that's the main stuff, what I talked about here. The backlinks are important, but it depends on how competitive the industry is. Sometimes I don't even need to build backlinks because it's already ranking. Yes?
What about can you optimize your site or bump up your SEO just by having a link? Like, which way are you talking about? I guess it's always looking at it, have a video that does well, or you can have your site do well with YouTube, but that's my question.
No, you need them both, but YouTube is just an option to get traffic, because a lot of people would rather watch a video than go to a website. You have to still do SEO on your website, and actual YouTube videos will help your website SEO, but just a way to drive traffic to your website for even for some pretty competitive keywords that you might not be able to rank on SEO, but you can get a video found there as well. But this isn't in place instead of website SEO. Any other questions?
Are there any other strategies you use other than said on-page optimization and backlinks and blog? Any other strategies that
YouTube ads, but also I'm a big fan of press releases. Actually, if you go to YouTube right now and you search New York car insurance, I have a video that's still ranked #1 there. So I did the classic optimization strategies for that video, but the video was at the bottom of page #2. So what I did is I went and I did a press release, and I did a little backlink into the press release, and within 20 minutes the video skyrocketed to the top of page #1 of YouTube, and it's appearing somewhere on Google. We haven't been working on that. We've been working on other stuff for that client, but yeah, press releases do help boost up your video. So anytime I want an extra little boost, I'll go and write a press release, and I'll embed the video in the press release, and that does help pretty well.
How do you do a press release?
No, I don't. I wasn't really mentioning it, but there's services such as Newswire, PR Web. There's a bunch of them that you can use. I personally like Newswire, but
You have more info on when video is going to be ranked on Google? Can I force Google to rank my video?
yes. Most cases you can. They usually do show videos, and also a good rule of thumb: if you already see a video on page #1, that means you can get there and you can replace it. But most times they will show videos there. Any other questions? Great. So thanks for coming. If you want my information, if you just text my name, Akiva, Akiva, on your phone to the number 50500, you'll get all my information sent straight to your smartphone.
How do you do that?
It's another secret. It's a company called Context, CONTEXTS. Yeah, I have cards, but this is a mobile business card. I'm all for saving the environment. CONTEXTS.
Here's the press release. Should I come over and talk to you when you're done? Or?
Yeah, you can ask it. We have time for questions.
Like, you mentioned you recently did a press release. So the question is, can you just press release anything? Or is anything, like, you mentioned what was the situation? You said that you had a video that didn't do very well.
Yeah, but usually with the press releases, you want to make something that's newsworthy. So I'm sure you can find something that's newsworthy. You have a new employee, or you expanded the office. There's always something that you can make a news twist to it. But you want to make something that's a little newsworthy, because usually the press releases that I do get found on Google News, and also on Google as well. I rank the press releases, but yeah, you want to make something that's newsworthy. But it's always you always can find something to write about. It's not.
Besides, like, if I have a small company, like, would anyone really care? Like, what makes something newsworthy? Like,
Yeah, there's a bunch of things to do if you have a small company. Say, I don't know, you have a 4th of July special or adding a new feature to your website or the affiliate network. There's all these things that you can make a little press release about. Well, thank you all for coming, and if you have any questions, you're welcome to come up. I'll be happy to answer them here. Thank you.